Here we go.
Okay. We could use the background.
We're in the
background.
You need to be really loud. Okay. Okay. We're in the bird watching van, and we're gonna look at the African swallow. Oh, we
have no food.
No, we haven't had food for 3 days. Oh, what? Dang it. No food or water for eggs. Except for M&M's 20 seconds ago, but that has nothing to do with it. And we have a new, we have some new people on our band. This is Parker.
So technically that's the girl.
Parker. There you go. He's on a bird watching van and hasn't eaten in 3 days. Oh, that's lit. And she's a Kitey. I'm Audrey. And we are going to the cameraman. And we're going to the amazing football game of bird of the Eagles versus the Swallows. It's the Eagles versus the Swallows, you guys. Football game. Eagles, Swallows, got it. Now, we want the Eagles to win. Even though they're not going to, because they're lame and lose already. Suckish birds. But the Swallows are too swallowish to win. Okay, now scoot over. Stop sneezing! You never sneeze! Yes, we must do the power of the sneezing, blessing of the sacred. You never bless, or the bear will come. Oh, sorry, I warned you about the bear. Didn't I warn you? Have I not? You mean the peanut butter bear? Yes, the peanut butter bear lives in peanut butter jars until he has enough peanut butter bear and become a peanut butter bear. And it lives at Black Eyed Peas. But nobody knows that.
I bet you're just having fun.
Black Eyed Peas. Now, see, Parker. Why Parker is here? Oh my God, we have to defeat the bear. Everybody shut up. My favorite song is on. I love this song. Say a prayer, but let the good times roll. In case God doesn't show, let the good times roll. And I want these words to make things right, but it's about to make the words come to life. Oh, who does he think he is? That's the worst you got. Better put your finger back to the keyboard. And one more time. Thanks for the memories, even though they weren't so great. He tastes like you, only sweeter. Not funny. And one more time. Thanks for the memories. This is the Peanut Butter Bear. Look out, Peanut Butter Bear song. Because the peanut butter hates the song. And if you sneeze, it comes and eats you. All the peanut out of your belly.
No,
Parker's the honey bear. The honey bear defeats the peanut butter bear.
over.
It's going bad. But this evil peanut butter bear looks just like Andrew. Yes, Andrew. And one night stand. Parker, you have to defeat Andrew. One night stand. No, they weren't still. We are arriving to the stadium. The stadium made up of the Eagles and the Swallows. And see, when we get there, the peanut butter bear, Parker, and the peanut butter bear, Andrew, and the honey bear, Parker, will fight and battle for the winner, and Parker's gonna win. Peanut butter bear will be defeated. In hotel room. When we get there, we will show you the battle. Oh man, Adak! Oh, I remember that. You can turn it off now. You can turn it off now. Turn it off? Ready? Yes.